Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust animation scaling on Redmi A3 Pro to make your phone either look smoother or faster. First go to Settings, then go to About Phone, and you'll need to enable developer settings. To do it, click on OS version 7 times. When it says you are now a developer, you can go back, then scroll down to additional settings, then go to developer options which have just been enabled, and then scroll down to animation scale, which is gonna be around here, and there is window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. You can change all of these three settings, but I'm gonna do the window animation scale first because it's the most noticeable change. So you can set it to off, 0.5, 1, which is default, and all the way up to 10 times. And the higher the value is, the slower the animations will be, which will make your phone look smoother but not faster. So when I set it to 10 times, it's a really high value, and as you can see, it's really slow but also smooth. You can set it to for example 0.5 or 0.2, 1.5 or 2 times. Or if you want to make it faster, set it to 0.5 and now it's faster, or set it to off, so now it's as fast as it gets. And it also applies, for example, to going back. So when I change the transition duration scale, it will change it as well. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.